Welcome to my channel, Ursh Mix Content Master.
Hello, little friends! Today we're going on an amazing jungle adventure. Are you ready to meet some awesome animal friends? Yay, let's go!
Tiger! I am Tiger. I have orange fur with black strips. I am really good at sneaking, but when I run, I am super fast.
Bear!
Hello friends, I am the bear. I love to eat honey and berries. I am super strong.
Fox! Hello friends, I am the fox. I am good at sneaking quietly in the jungle. Can you sneak like me? Monkey! Me! I am the monkey. I love to swing from tree to tree. Can you swing with me? And guess what? I love bananas. Giraffe! Hello friends, I am Giraffe. I am very tall and my long neck helps me to eat leaves from tall trees. Let's stretch up tall like me.
Panda!
Hello, I am the panda. I love eating bamboo, crunch crunch. And I am soft and cuddly. Hello friends, I am elephant. Look at my long trunk. I can use it to splash water. Zebra! Hello friends, I am the zebra. Look at my black and white stripes. I love running fast. like me?
Lion. Friends, I am Lion, king of the jungle. Look at my shiny and big mane. Kangaroo!
Hi, I am the kangaroo. I love to hop around with my big legs. Can you hop like me? Let's hop together. Boing, boing, boing.
What a fun day with our jungle friends! We met the lion, elephant, kangaroo, zebra, panda, giraffe, monkey, fox, bear, and tiger. See you next time. Bye-bye, little explorers. Thanks for watching. We will come soon with new videos. Like, share, subscribe.